Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set your Shopify store name. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content section, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And under apps, you're going to find your applications. And lastly, in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So right now, if you want to set your store name, firstly, go ahead and click on settings. And then here, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. Make sure that you're here in the general section. And then here under store details, you're going to find your store name and also your billing address. If you want to edit your store name, go ahead and click on this little pen icon in the right. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can change your store details. For example, I'm going to change my store name to tutorial, for example. Then you can add a store phone if you want. And here also you can change your store email. And once you finish, just click on save. And as you can see, guys, just wait for it to be saved until you find this message here in the bottom, settings saved. And then as you can see, guys, our name or our store name is changed. You can also change some other details here in the bottom. As you can see, guys, like the currency display, the unit system, default weight unit, and all of these details. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.